What's up you guys, it is Naughty and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you a very peachy summery makeup look. I'm going to be trying out the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I also bought the Anastasia stick foundation. This isn't new, but it's new to me because I've never used it. So I have two new products that I also want to test out in this video. So if you want to see my peachy summery look, then just keep on watching. So I'm kind of blind. If I'm out of focus, I'm sorry about that. I can't really tell if I'm in focus or out of focus. I mean, it should be autofocused, so everything should be okay. So first things first, what I always start off with is my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm gonna use this concealer to prime my eyelid. Also, this eyebrow is looking a little rough, so please excuse her. Today is not her day. But this eyebrow, on the other hand, she's looking pretty good. So you're always gonna have the better sister. And I guess today it's her. We're going to zoom. Wow. I love this. So I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I'm gonna go ahead and set my brow bone using this shade. So I thought I had mastered the art of eyeliner, but if you stop doing eyeliner for so long, it's okay, it'll do. I'll cover it with lashes. I'm using different eyelashes today. Hopefully I like them because this will be a fail if I don't. I love B2B. Okay, so the lashes are on. I feel like no lashes so far beat my Bronze Beauties because those are the only ones I can. So for primers, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover and then the Benefit Porefessional. First, I take the Porefessional and I just put this like on my T-zone and around my nose area, just wherever I have like the most pores. I take the Hangover X, which I literally just ran out of. Woo! Put this on the rest of my face. Yeah, never mind, I don't like these lashes. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Warm Natural. I matched myself for the first time. Normally I always have someone match me. So this is outside of Sephora in natural lighting, so we're gonna see how well I did. It's so hard to like match myself in Sephora. Oh my god, it's like concealer. Hello? Bien? Yeah. I don't know if he. Creo que apenas se despertó. No. Yeah. Bye. But oh my gosh, I think I did a good job. I like this foundation. It's so glowy. Look at my skin. I want to say it's medium coverage. I do like full coverage, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. I do prefer light to medium when it comes to like events and stuff. I don't mind it if the foundation is full coverage. So far the foundation stick is a win. I love the packaging, by the way. I think this is so sleek and pretty. Now it's time for the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Oh, what the heck? What is that? Are those instructions on how to use concealer? So I got this in the shade Vanilla, which I feel like it's gonna be too light. Hopefully it's not. And like, it's a doe foot applicator. Kind of like the Clinique foundation and the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, I'm scared. This is bright. Maybe I should have gone a shade darker. But the shade darker, I didn't like, so. We'll see. It's not that bad. Better than when I had to match my ColourPop concealer and I chose the one for fair skin because for some strange reason I thought I was fair. That's scary. Ooh, the coverage is nice actually. I normally do that. Oh, okay, it's not that bad as far as the shade. Ooh, I'm very bright. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder. So first, I'm gonna set under my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my nose as well. And whatever's left on the brush, I just go ahead and set the concealer. My nose is so flat. So there's my under eye. Ignore my nose. It's like really crusty. I had a sunburn and like now it's like peeling. My under eye doesn't look too bad. I do have little wrinkles under my eyes, so but other than that, I like it. So now I'm gonna contour using my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm going to be using that middle shade right here. Oh, that's not the brush I was supposed to use.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna go ahead and bring some more like warmth into my face, and I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the set Peachy Love. Oh, I brought it down too low. It's what you don't want to do. And then I'm also gonna put it on my nose because I want that like sun-kissed look. I didn't contour my nose! I was like, oh my gosh, why does my nose look so flat? My not anymore flat nose. Anyways, now that you look sunburnt, that's what I'm about to call it. Cool. I'm going to be using the Ambreezy highlighter. When will another highlighter ever?
The last level was like the height of this one.
There she is. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Oh. So I have two different lip options. I have they're both by Maybelline because I love these. Okay.
For you, oh baby, you. For you, oh baby, you. Yeah, ever you need.
But anyways, I'm getting that like little flashing red battery, so that means it's time to go. This is the completed look. So as you can see, hopefully it's very summery. I wanted to do fake freckles, but I'm getting that like red battery, so we're just gonna do that next time. I wish I would have made it more glowy just because I felt like that would have been a little bit more prettier, like summer glowy and sunburnt. I feel like this is pretty glowy enough, pretty peachy enough, and pretty sunburnt because look at my cheeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week.